everyone, and welcome to the Literacy Center Science tutorial. This is Meghna, and today we are going to talk about seasons. So let's start. So what are seasons? A season is a period of the year that is distinguished by special climate conditions. The four seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter, follow one another regularly. Each has its own light, temperature, and weather patterns that repeats yearly. The passing of a year can bring a marked change in the weather and the surrounding environment. The four seasons we know, winter, spring, summer, and autumn, can vary significantly in characteristics and can prompt changes in the world around them. Let's take an overview of these four separate periods. So in our four seasons, let's talk about spring first. We all love springs, isn't it? Seeds take root and vegetation begins to grow during the spring season. The weather is warmer and often wetter. Animals wake or return from warmer climates, often with their newborns. And let's talk about summer now. During the summer, temperatures may increase to their hottest of the year. If they spike too high, heat waves or drought may cause trouble for people, animals, and plants. Rainfall may increase in some areas as well. Others may receive less water, and forest fires may become more frequent. And what happened during the autumn or fall? Temperatures cool down again. Plants may begin to grow dormant. Animals might prepare themselves for the upcoming cold weather, storing food or traveling to warmer regions. Various cultures have celebrated bountiful harvest with annual festivals. For example, we celebrate Thanksgiving here. And what happened during the winter? Winter often brings a chill. Some areas may experience snow or ice, while others see only cold rains. Animals find ways to warm themselves and may have changed their appearances to adapt in this environment. In a similar way to the autumnal theme, winter festivals celebrate the return of the light during a time of deepest physical darkness. Let's find out some fun facts about the seasons here. June 21st marks the day when the earth is turned the most towards the sun. This is known as summer solstice. It is the longest, sunniest day of the year. December 21st marks the day when the earth is turned the farthest from the sun, and this is known as winter solstice. It is the shortest and darkest day of the year. Plants and trees lose their leaves in response to the shortening days and cooler temperatures of fall. Trees and plants open new leaf or flower buds as the weather warms in spring. Winter is a hard time for animals and they have a hard time finding food. Many hibernate or sleep more during the winters. So if you have any questions about today's tutorial or if you need any help with the subject, you can text us or you can email us and we can get back to you. Thank you.